The water is not just clear, it's healthy. It's where oysters grow. In this episode, we'll be enjoying fresh oysters. Enjoying oysters the French way, we à la France here at Romelo's shabby provincial kitchen. International Food Monday here on Channel oOne. The kitchen is disorderly because I'm cooking sinigang for dinner. And I also thought of shucking or preparing oysters for pulutan. What's the best pulutan where you're close to the sea, but nothing comes close to oysters, fresh oysters. And in this edition, I'll be showing you how to shuck oysters. Not many people know how to do it. Even for me, I didn't know how to do it. I just learned it gradually. I live on this island just a few meters from the sea, but no one in our barrio eats this raw. I learned how to eat this raw in Europe because, of course, we're close to France, where in northern France this is a delicacy. This is how to shuck oysters, shuck or to open. So there are chefs dedicated in shucking oysters, but the tip is, that's why I put it in the refrigerator, is after washing, put your oysters in the fridge. The cold temperature gets them to sleep. They will sleep, and while they are asleep, it would be easier to shuck them. There are specialized oyster shuckers, but this knife, some pointed with adequate width, would be good. So this is how to do it. Just move or swipe your knife like this and look for the soft spot where you can insert or just enter, be careful, where you can just enter that knife and twist it. Voila, that's your oyster. Win it. Okay. The technique is to search for that recessed spot where you can insert your knife. And just insert your knife like this and twist it. Wrong. Pulled the wrong. Yeah. And then twist. And voila, your oyster. In France and in Czech restaurants, they would serve oysters on top of ice. But we're in the village. We're not doing that. No pretensions. We'll just put our oysters on the plate and serve it. I'll do it again. So with your knife like this, look for that. I don't know how to describe it, but you can see it, and then just twist. And voila, that's your oyster. Yeah. Okay. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified of every release. And don't forget to share. Ibida natin ang pagkain ng pulutan sa buong mundo. Yeah. I think to master the skill, if you're elsewhere, you have to go to France or come to the Philippines and learn it from the fishermen. But you're elsewhere, and if you want to be posh, go to France and learn it from the chef in Normandy or elsewhere. Yeah, this is how to do it. Just look for that spot there. Insert your knife And voila. Conserve the water. That's where the flavor is. Conserve the water. That's where the flavor is. And it blends well, perfectly with your vinaigrette as your sauce. Yeah. I'm really happy with this knife. How many oysters can you have, cameraman?
4.
4? Just 4?
4 to 6.
Okay. And which sauce do you want? Vinaigrette or lemon?
Lemon.
Lemon? Okay. Then you want lemon. How about lime? I don't have.
That's okay.
Okay? Good. So this is yours. This is the best, I think. Voila. Okay.
Stop even.
Ja, is goed ook lukt toch? Heaven. This is paradise. My island town. One more for you?
Yeah.
We'll get the strong lime. I'm using the stronger lime now, the Philippine lime, calamansi or calamondino. To remove the seeds, sorry for that. For you? Yeah. You know what? If chic chefs would see this, what I'm doing. If they only see this, they would give it thumbs down. Yeah. Imagine this, doing the sauce and chopping oysters at the same time. One option to, or alternative to lemon or lime is vinaigrette. It's vinegar just with shallots. I don't have shallots at home, so I'm using white onion and salt or and pepper. Just fine, very fine, as fine as possible. By the way, this is not intended for filming. Kayat mo tatay? Ah? What? My father doesn't like it. No one eats raw oyster in Carol. Everyone is scared, except me.
And me.
Okay. Hello. So this is our vinaigrette with. I should be adding a pepper as well. This is better.
Dus nou, kijk de kans niet.
One more. Try it, Ludo, with oyster. That's also good. Oh, with onion. Yeah? There's nothing in there. One more. Last, Ludo. See how easy? I mastered it, Ludo. Ay, what's that? Why is it green?
Green oyster. Sick oyster.
Ah! And now let's give a twist to our sauce or to our vinaigrette. I'll be adding siling labuyo. Very powerful. Yeah. Hi. And the vinaigrette. Oh yeah, it's even. Galo da? The chili gives a strange taste. I can't reconcile it with the flavor that I know from Europe. But this is flavor. Nothing comes close to the flavors of fresh oysters from the waters of my hometown and in the Philippines. Join me again next time as we explore more of the flavors of our hometown here in my bio or in Holland. Until next time, and Dios te guarde.